Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to invite someone to a Google Meet video call. Whether you are scheduling a meeting in advance or starting one on the spot, I'll show you exactly how to send the invitation link, add participants via email, and more. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to meet.google.com. Once you are on the home page, you will see two main options, new meeting and enter a code or link. To start a new meeting, click on the button that says new meeting. You will be given three choices. First, create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, and third, schedule in Google Calendar. For this tutorial, let's click on start an instant meeting. So we can create a meeting right now and invite someone immediately. After clicking, Google Meet will launch your meeting room. You might see a pop-up asking for permission to access your camera and microphone. Click allow to continue. Now look at the pop-up that appears off your screen. This is where you will find the meeting link. It usually starts with meet.google.com/ntm blah blah blah, followed by a unique code. To invite someone, all you need to do is copy this link. You can click the copy icon next to it. Once copied, you can paste the link into a message, but there's another way to invite people directly from Google Meet. On the bottom right of the screen, click the people icon. It looks like a small person with a plus sign. Then click on add people or invite depending on your version. Here, you can type in the email address of the person you want to invite. As soon as you type their email and click send email, they will receive an email with the meeting details and a direct link to join. Now, let's take a look at how to invite someone if you are scheduling a meeting for later using Google Calendar. Go back to the Google Meet homepage. Now tap on New Meeting, then select Schedule in Google Calendar. This will open a new event form in Google Calendar. You can set the title, date, time, and add a description for the meeting. Most importantly, under the Add Guest section on the right-hand side, you can enter the email address of everyone you want to invite. Once added, they will automatically receive an email invitation with the link and the schedule time. After you filled out the details, tap Save at the top of your screen. And don't forget to click Send when prompt. So, your guests received the invitation email. And that's it for this tutorial on how to invite someone to a Google Meet video call. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials every week. If you have any questions or want to suggest a topic, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.